Mastering Migraine Therapies is a program designed to help educate and improve the knowledge as well as the skills of headache specialists and even more broadly just to clinicians who are interested in treating patients who have various headache disorders. And in its current form, we've just now updated multiple slide decks spanning a broad range of topics, mainly covering migraine, but also diving into some selected topics within the field of headache medicine. So we're really excited about big things happening for this program and ready to disseminate it to a much broader audience than ever before, modern interpretations of the current state of knowledge in clinical science. And that's really what Mastering Migraine Therapies is all about, equipping clinicians to become masters themselves. All of our content has been completely updated as well as vetted by experts within the field. So you can be sure of high quality and compact, efficient education to meet all of your knowledge and skills needs. This will be your chance to see high quality content brought to you by and delivered directly to you by leading experts in the headache field. I think this is going to be tremendously impactful because I'm pretty sure that not all of our membership even knows that this program exists. But they all know that the need is there. And when they see the quality of this content, I think they're just going to be so energized and ready to spread the word, tell all of their colleagues about it, even want to deliver this material to their trainees and their extended network themselves to see just how much we really can improve the lives of those impacted by headache.